This is how I find healthy natural alternative to chemical products that we all use. I go to this website. Here I scan the product. It's shampoo. I upload a picture, go to the back side, and I take a photo of the ingredients. I click analyze. It's now done analyzing, and here it shows you what the product is, and here you have a list of all the chemicals in there with an explanation why it is harmful. Here you can see this shampoo can disrupt your hormones and irritate your skin. A natural alternative is always better. So here the app shows you natural alternatives. For example, Aloe Vera shampoo, and here maybe Castile Soap, Rosemary Mint Shampoo Bar. Rosemary is very good for your hair and for your scalp and promotes hair growth. Here it has a link so you can find it on Amazon, so you can just buy it directly. That is how I find healthier products